Halor Kapatisi TV. Kabul, kamasin kabalas nakarpang kabakhamskem, kamstet, kamklan, batbaduna bam umpnya.
Menteri Kesorkar Jelau Marcos and Marang ula pentip Shen ke Jingsna yo muat saknam balada penpra menchua hatura West Garo Hills District on sasdang bantai Biang ban ai buram yaki Garo gi balale isyamenta hak Thma ba Banyngkong hak jing kran bigelat pathai kubor marak uloong bayar jingtai Biang yo muat saknam la menjuru da komiti wat kabasa menta kalong satang ban chubu yo monorim.
Actually, the work will be for permanent structures. We have already finalized. We are about to start the construction for permanent structures. Design, everything is ready. Only because of some procedural lapses, it was taking some time. But very soon we are going to sit for the next meeting and then we'll lay the foundation stone for the permanent structure. It is already demolished long back, and then which is the reason why the controversial started. Design already approved by the committee. Everyone is happy, and now we are going to go for a permanent structure. Process of finalizing the dates, because Honorable Chief Minister himself also wants to be there in the foundation laying ceremony, and also we will be having a short meeting with the committee members. Committee decided that the work should be given to the person who designed the permanent structure, Senator. So we have decided and we are giving the work to him. One Mr. Silchi Mara is a local architect there in Pura, so work will be interested to him. Actually, the way it started because they demolished without, that structure should not have demolished. So because of that reason, the sentiment has touched. It was touched with sentiments to people. So therefore, we also didn't agree with that. So therefore, we went ahead with the committee, and then committee has resolved the issue, and we are about to start the new construction.
Real spark, ya kak tiên là jong pin dan kam, ya kabakan kiu kak tiên khasi, kak tiên là jong, ai kan roi kan pa. Buon kia keren halor ka environment, ka saudong sauput saukuan, ya kabadai ban penek pensa, ya ka jingjangam. Haka kentien khasi, niyo ya kamarian. Na kamarian niyo saka meirilung, meirisan, meirilang, meiramo. Tudayakan mau kendit ho. Lapen mi da kapati CTV, na kabenta ka jingmentoi upat ba.